What up, YouTube? It's your boy. Yeah, so today we got a few fun events. I'm gonna head over to some little place where my homie Sauce is having his birthday brunch. That's about an hour from now. Look, she wanna be a good girl, knowing she in trouble. What you doing? What you doing? Oh shit. I didn't say get closer. Why you so bad? No. She just always in trouble, so that's her go-to. Lay down in front of her. Yeah, man, it's cold as fuck outside. Looks are deceiving because it looks like it's nice and sunny, but it's cold as shit. And just like that, we dress, ready to go. His eyes are listening, you know what I'm saying? The eyes are listening to you. Shout out to Teddy Rose, FTF. But yeah, man, we're getting ready to head to Sauce. Sauce is my old roommate at Chat, close friend from high school. Been knowing this man since literally foot races in elementary school. So happy birthday to my nigga Sauce. Let's go get this food in us. I ain't got no other shoes to really match what I want to do today, so it is what it is. There go my baby. She need to get my guts clean. Look at my seats though. Man, that my dog, I tell you, dog will fuck up your seats. Even when they're not in them. Because I got all these things in my seats from when Bella decided to jump from seat to seat when I'm not in the car. So like if I run in the store, she thinks she got the right to run and, you know what I'm saying, come jump in the front seat. And that shit pissed me off every time, but she got anxiety issues, that's what it is. I got a fucking dog with anxiety issues. Ain't that shit great? Why am I breathing so hard? A nigga tired as hell and all I did was walk to the car. But yeah man, let's go ahead and get to this motherfucking brunch.
I talk, but I like the way that she walk. She said all she ever wanted in her race. Passenger seat, that's my baby. On the back seat.
I want to see you on the ground.
They got the camera.
All around the world. I'm coming around to you. That's why I need to be sitting beside right there.
Good, bro.
What's up? We got the birthday boy this time. We got the birthday boy. Yeah. I'm like, okay.
Hey, oh, DB used to it. He's like, okay.
Yeah, ain't nobody trying to listen to that today, Sauce.
You see what Jones said?
Everybody already know what he be on.
He's in Toronto. He's in some. Not today. Far away from you. Hey, drink no more. Take that shot. Hey, Junior. Drink no more.
So, you know, somebody has going on track, I will, but
Excuse me.
I see what this is doing. Other than that, I ain't doing that.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright.
I'm right here. Yeah. That's good right there. I went to a game tournament.
Glass joint. Huh? Glass.
Oh, y'all gonna pressure me. I couldn't be sneaky with it.
Take a shot, boy. Take a shot, boy.
Yeah, my homeboy, they lost this first. Yeah. So,
Jordan,
they lost yesterday.
you good?
They young, man. They lost their daddy.
Shit, man.
Yeah. You know, Ken Ridge got a legit D1 dude. You heard about it? What you think about it?
She's a
That boy making them ugly faces over there, boy.
little evil smile. Nah, yeah, I'm gonna give you a quick speech, man. Yo, real talk. I don't know if I can hit that yet.
What was that sauce?
Yo, real talk. I appreciate y'all coming through, man. It means a lot to me, man. Try to do this shit once a year, man. When niggas get together, just fuck with each other and shit, man. I appreciate it. Each and every one of y'all that I called out here, bro. I look up to each one of y'all. Y'all get something from one of y'all, man. Y'all inspire me to do some shit, bro. I love all y'all, man. I appreciate that shit, man. Thank y'all, man.
Appreciate you, Saucy.
That was the corniest speech I've ever heard.
Nah, it was
Love you, bro. Love you too, man.
Hey, get out your feelings on me. Just picked up a load.
What'd you say?
One of them niggas smell good as hell, boy.
Yeah.
Damn time.
In 600 feet, the destination is on your left. Pins Mechanical Company.
Right,
You're
me.
the only one that got full in that motherfucker.
I thought it was
Oh, excuse me.
gang.
Head nod at the camera.
No, I was good.
Man dressed like me.
When I looked at you, I was like, hold on.
That way. Let's go. I'm going to the ball.
Most of the
Okay, who's next? What do you need?
Sauce Daddy.
Oh, shit's on me. What's up, man? Hey, gang shit, TT4 shit, Lakeview shit. You know the vibes when my dogs is kindergarten, man. You know this shit, though. 5 years old. Okay.
That nigga said 5 years old.
For real, 5 years old.
What's happening, man? You already know what it is. It's Steve Check It Is. Happy birthday to Sauce. We out here. We at Pins Mechanical. We about to show up and about to show out. You already know what to do. Happy birthday to my nigga Sauce.
What was that?
Got the Koofy smacker.
You guys need something? I don't know what I want to get.
It's good. We out here, man, for my nigga Sauce birthday, man. We out. You did?
You did.
Yes, sir. You said it's fair, but it's fair.
They don't like your pictures.
I told him I suck.
Nah, she started dancing. You need more pictures, huh?
Need more? I told y'all.
Your voice is like an actual camera.
I almost got my feelings. I said, I'm good. No, these three got to pick teams. Y'all pick teams first. Team Jones and Team South. Y'all three got to pick. Pick team. Pick team. Now you got to pick first.
Smack. Give me deal. Hey, Whitney.
Yeah!
Jones team.
I need Chappie Joe.
Oh, I want to hear. I want to hear him.
Yeah, he right over. Yeah.
Wait, what? When I said Whitney, I went after him. So I want to hear him. But I already picked him though.
Yeah, he picked you. Yeah, you got it right. So now it's either between him or Kenny.
So how many y'all got me at?
He's gonna be on the
Hold on. Who's your first pick? My first pick.
I got this team. This is my team.
Okay.
This South Street.
You gotta get three. You gotta get one more dude on your team.
No, one more.
Kenny's on my team.
So you got Ricky. Let's go.
I always get picked last. It doesn't matter what we're playing.
I'm used to it too.
And you at the park dressed like that. You came to the gym dressed like that.
Boo!
Why you don't tell me there's no holes in this shit?
That's how they use the ball.
That's a trick.
He ain't never played baseball in his life.
Oh, what's the score? Oh, shit.
Hey, loser gotta buy shots. As a team.
No, let's run it. Let's run it. I suck, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's posted.
They said be gentle with the ball, bro. Yeah, y'all buying shots.
Oh, shit.
They said be gentle with the ball, bro.
Man, stop playing with me. Hold on. Niggas behind the camera. I ain't gonna say no names, so I know y'all is. I need some niggas to pull up. can't finish something with myself, man. I need a family with me, you dig? And shit.
He molded too fast. He needed just a little help, just a little help, just a little bit of help.
He's getting tired.
So I'm on Team Jones. Hold up at the current moment.
Hey, we gotta pick it up. We gotta pick it up. We gotta pick it up. What's up, baby? Focus, baby. Focus, focus. You're not playing to lose. You're playing to win.
I just really like to make it.
Y'all ready for this?
It's on Team Jones.
I'm finna keep it funky with y'all. I just pulled back up at the house after going to the Hentley, whatever that shit is, and went to Pins Mechanical. We had a little fun. But you know, I'm back to my nigga shit. So as soon as I get home, you see what happens. Yeah, put some noodles on, cause a nigga did not get full off that little bit ass omelet. I'll show you that omelet later. But on another note, I make the best fucking noodles on this side of town.